Deliciously spicy creamy Cajun chicken pasta recipe. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of flavor with a mouth-watering recipe that's sure to satisfy your cravings. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Trust me, this one's a winner. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty creations. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sliced, 2 tablespoons Cajun seasoning, 8 ounces penne pasta, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 green bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 small onion, thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley for garnish, grated Parmesan cheese for serving. Alright, let's jump right in. To kick things off, we've got our boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we sliced up and generously coated with our special Cajun seasoning. Make sure every slice gets that fantastic flavor. While our chicken is getting all that Cajun goodness, we're going to cook up some penne pasta to perfection. Drain it and set it aside for now. Pasta done. Now, back to our skillet. In goes a delightful mix of butter and olive oil. You know this is going to be amazing. We're cooking the chicken until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. The aroma is just out of this world. Time to add those colorful bell peppers and onions. They add a wonderful crunch and sweetness to our dish. Look at those colors pop. Now we're taking things up a notch with some heavy cream and chicken broth. Oh, the creaminess is coming together. It's time to bring it all together. Add the cooked penne pasta to the skillet and let it soak up all that incredible flavor. And there you have it, folks. Our creamy Cajun chicken pasta is ready to rock your taste buds. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share your own creations on Instagram. Using deliciously spicy pasta, I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, remember to subscribe for more drool-worthy recipes. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling.